Hello, welcome to the cost accounting class. I'm Professor Lori White. Obviously I'll be teaching this class and I look forward to working with each of you. I just want to welcome you. In this class, a few of the big concepts we're going to be looking at is inventory control. So how we manage and monitor our inventory. That's a really big deal for some companies. Other sort of cost control systems, how we cost for our inventory. And time value money is also another concept we will cover. We'll spend about a week or so on that. And there'll be other things, but those are just some of the bigger ideas we will be learning about. I just want to primarily introduce myself. I have a CPA. I've worked for several years in public accounting. I have 4 children. When time permits or allows, I do enjoy exercising, and that usually involves long walks in our neighborhood. And if I have even a little bit more extra time, I do enjoy reading. And so that's just a little bit about myself and a little bit about the class. And I want to welcome you again. And if you have any questions or concerns, please send me an email. And if we need to, we can exchange emails, or of course, like I said, if we need to, we could set up a phone call or maybe even a video conference. But primarily, I want you to know that I'm here and I'm willing to help you however I can, and want you to be successful in this class. So welcome and look forward to the next several weeks. Thank you.